Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And so for today's video, as you guys can see already by the thumbnail and the title, it's gonna be another unboxing, and I cannot wait to show you guys what I got. I already opened the box and let's just start. So it's from the brand, how do you say this? Jacquemus. I have no freaking idea, so don't come at me, okay, if I'm pronouncing it wrong. So they came with this cute stickers. I freaking love it. It's so cute. And also with this, I believe this is where I think this is the receipt. This is what they look like on the box, and there's no like personal box that a lot of brand, like, you know, Louis Vuitton have their own like box and comes with like a dust bag, but this one, it only came with the dust bag, which is still pretty cute. Okay, I love it. Ooh, okay, let's just do it. Okay, it's wrapped around with paper, wrapping paper. Oh my god, you guys, look how pretty. It's so cute. Look how cute. Like, look how cute that is. Okay, so this is the okay, for some reason I cannot pronounce it right. Jacquemus. I have no idea how you pronounce this bag or brand, but look at this bag, you guys. Oh my goodness, this is my first ever bag from this brand, and I'm honestly shocked. I thought it was gonna be smaller than this, but it's actually a little bit bigger than I thought, because I was watching, there was only plenty of people that I saw on YouTube reviewing and doing like an unboxing with this color, which is the black. A lot of people picked the white one, which is, I was literally gonna pick the white one, but then I was like, I'm not really good at whites. Like, how am I gonna like try to like, you know, maintain the color white? So I went with the color black, because some of my bag actually is, you know, from Louis Vuitton, is like brown. I only have the, I think I do have the Prada, which is, that's the black one, but other than that, I barely have black bags. So this is what I got. It's the black one, and that's the name over there in the side, which is Jacquemus. I have no idea. Okay, so let's just open this. I really love the handle. It's really unique. Like, that's what it gets me. It's their handle, which is really cute. And ta-da! Okay, there's the tag. So this bag is their Le Chiquito Moyen. There's the tag right there. Okay, so this is what the strap looks like, and there's like a little detail on the hooks, which is the name right there, which is really cute. And like I said, I'm happy that the strap is adjustable. So this is what they look inside. So the interior of the bag is, I would say, light nude, light brown color, and it also has like a card slots here. It's very tight, that's what I'm gonna say. It's very tight card slots there. And of course the name, or the name brand here, is Jacquemus. I don't know, but right there. And in the side is where, of course, where you hook the strap, which gold as well, gold metal tone, and it's like a snap closure. So right there. And I want to read the details to you guys. So this is the, yeah, it's magnetic closure, inside card pocket, which you guys saw, removable shoulder strap, and the golden Jacquemus logo. And it's 18 by 13 cm. That's like the details about this bag. They do have the white color, they have green, They also have light green, actually. They have black, white, light green, and they even have this color pink. And what else do they have in this? They have light brown. I didn't see that. Light brown, and they have the dark beige. So this is the bag, like I said, what they look like. Okay, so there goes my phone without the cover. It actually surprisingly fit, but it's a little bit how do you call this, it's a little bit hard to get. So my phone, that's what it looks like over there in the side right there. But honestly, I don't even put my phone in the bag. Like, my phone is always in my hand whenever I go. So I'm gonna try to fit some stuff in here. If I'm gonna be using this bag, I want to know like how many stuff, like my essentials, can fit in here. So let's start with lip gloss. So the lip gloss that I'm wearing and using right now is from Fenty, which is their lip cream, and I'm gonna get right there, so there's a lot of space. So next one would be my card holder from Chanel. Let's see if it's gonna fit in this little bag. And then with my mirror, my Chanel mirror right here, I'm just gonna take the little thing, but this is the Chanel mirror. I'm gonna put it right here. So there's card holder, the Chanel card holder, lip gloss, and the Chanel mirror. And I'm gonna put my key here in the side. Let's see if I can, there you go. So there's my key over there. So there's the hand cream on the side, and my AirPods, the Chanel card holder, lip gloss, and my key, and of course mirror. So there you go. It's honestly not too bulky, and with a small bag, honestly, you're not gonna expect like you can put too much in here because it's a small bag. And I really love the handle. Like, that's what made me buy the bag, because the handle is quite different and it's unique. So I'm also gonna give you guys like a 360 view about this bag. So this is the front, and this is the side look like. This is the back look like. So like I said, it's only one handle, and right there, and the bottom look like of the bag right there, and the logo as well. If you have any other question regarding about this bag, just comment down below, and I'm honestly can't wait to use this bag and take a picture using this bag, and like a lot of OOTD wearing this bag, because I can see myself wearing this bag. I still love my Prada, don't get me wrong, I still love my Prada, but I feel like this is gonna be like my next go-to small bag. So anyway, you guys, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys soon on my next video. Bye.